Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to FreeCAD Fun channel. Today I'm going to create this model practice. Its basic shape is half circle, half cylinder, and then there is a slot between in the right side and left side of the half cylinder, and then with a hole and then a small hole in the top of the half cylinder. Okay, now go to FreeCAD and then go to the part design workbench and then create body, create sketch, and choose the XZ plane. Okay, now create the half circle. I will use the arcus and then click this point and click this left side of the horizontal axis, okay, to the right side of horizontal axis. Okay, now let's check the drawing. For the dimension 64, let's create diameter 64, and then the inside for the diameter 38. Now click this half circle for the diameter of 64. Okay, and then again create half circle from the left side to the right side. Okay, now create this diameter. Let's check again. 38. Okay, let's input the value 38 millimeter. Okay, now I will connect between the point with the line. Okay. Okay, now the sketch fully constrained. Now we can close the sketch. Now I'll create pad for length 62 millimeter. Now go to the pad. Let's create a direction to the back. Okay, for 62 millimeter. Okay, let's check again. 62, yes. Okay, now the half cylinder is created. Now I'm going to the light. Okay, let's check for direction. Okay, hide the direction. Now for the color, let's choose emerald, and the color maybe yellow. Okay. Okay, close the appearance. Now let's check the drawing. We create a slot for the width 40 and then distance between center 102 millimeter. Okay, let's check to the plan. Okay, I will hide the XZ plane and then YZ plane. Okay, hide the axis. Okay, now can click the plane, create sketch, and then maybe we can edit the pad of the half circle. So I will edit the pad. So I will create symmetric to plane. So this is the axis in the middle of the length of the half cylinder. Okay, now we check the axis. Now the axis is in the middle of the half circle. Okay, now for the next part, click this plane and create sketch. Now the half cylinder is in the middle of the axis. Now we can create this slot. I will create a slot from this left side to the right side. I will create this point, this point, this point for the symmetry. Okay, create this point with this point for the distance 40 millimeter, wide 40 millimeter. Okay, now for the distance between center 102 millimeter. Okay, now so the sketch is fully constrained. Okay, we can close. Now we can create pad. Let's check the drawing for the pad. Thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, now create pad for the thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, now let's check again. I use this slot fully from the left side to the right side, so we have to cut again this side. So I will create the sketch to cut this shape. So let's check for the XY plane, I mean XZ. Okay, now click the XZ, create sketch. Now I will create, maybe use circle. Okay, for the diameter of, let's check, 38. Okay, it's fully constrained. Close the sketch and create pocket for the thickness in the middle 40. Okay, now same, let's click OK. So the shape is cut, so we can refine this feature. True. Okay, now let's go now the line. So here it is. Okay, now we can create the circle. Actually, the circle we can create in the pad, so the pad we can edit the sketch and create the hole for diameter 16. So click this circle and this circle, click this two circle using control and click for diameter, yes, for both 60 millimeter. Okay, now the sketch fully constrained, we can close. Now the hole is created. Okay, now the last one, create the hole in the center, in the top middle of the half cylinder. So we can create this circle 6 millimeter in this middle sketch. Just click XY plane, click sketch and create this circle in the center for the diameter 6 millimeter. Okay, now sketch screen. Okay, now we can close the sketch and create pocket. Now we can reverse the direction to the top. Okay, now create for the first, no, maybe through all. Okay, okay, now the small hole is created, so the whole shape is being created. Now we can close the plane. So the part is finished. Can check again with the drawing. Okay, I think this is right. Okay, that's it for this practice today. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.